How to fix Telegram verification code not received. If you are not receiving the Telegram verification code when trying to log in, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have entered correct country code and correct phone number, as it may prevent you from getting the SMS in your phone. You can also try another way, simply add your email and simply get email code via your email. Next thing you can check is whether your phone is connected to Wi-Fi network or not. You can switch between cellular data and Wi-Fi if one is not being stable. Sometimes if your mobile network is weak or unavailable, Telegram can't send the SMS. Just restart your phone and check your network connection. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the Telegram verification code not received issue.